Hi, I'm Byron Tashuma and welcome to 13 Hillcrest Avenue, Ringwood. Let's go have a look. What you'll love about this home is its low maintenance lifestyle. The large open plan living flows effortlessly through to this fully renovated kitchen. Featuring not one but two generous sized bedrooms, a central renovated bathroom, this home leaves you nothing left to do but move in and enjoy. We'd be remiss not to mention the great location we have here, just a stone's throw from Heatherdale Station and Eastlink, a brief walk to Eastland Shopping Centre. This location truly does have you covered.